Hello and hello to everyone. Today I want to show you how you can earn with the Pawns app with some fastest ways to improve your earnings. So if you know what Pawns app is, it is an app that allows you to earn money on the internet by sharing your data, your internet access with it, not your personal data and all those stuff. They use your internet access, and so by sharing your internet access with the app, you earn money. So you sell your internet data with the app. So what do they do? The app pays well because I've once used it, and I want to show you my earning proof because it took me it took me 6 months to get to my $5 threshold. So I don't know, because I'm not always using the internet, I'm not always online and all those stuff. So it can take you a month if you are always consistently online and have data, consistent data that is fast. So before you earn money fast with this Pawns app, it's called before Iproyal, but now they changed it to Pawns app. Before you earn money with this Pawns app, you need to have a fast internet connection that is very, I think your internet connection will be very fast, and depending on your country, your country depends. So your earning potential will depend on the country you are living in. So some people living in English countries and rich countries and top countries, US, UK and those stuff, they can earn better than people living in countries like Ghana, Nigeria, in Africa, all those stuff. So what we should focus on here is how you can earn and how you can use the app. So let me show you my earning proof. So let me show you my payout history. So this is my payout history. They sent me $3.22 when after getting to my $5 threshold. So on the app there are, like, let me say 3 or 4 ways to earn money with the Pawns app. You answer Subway, you refer friends. So after answering some Subway, you can earn by answering some Subway on the app. You can earn by referring a friend. They are even saying that invite a friend, receive 10% extra earning. Your friend receive $1 instantly. So when you get referred by me, you earn $1 instantly. So if you like, you can use my referral link in the description, and whatever, it's your choice. It's always your choice. So what next? So how do you, to get the app and set it up, you need to go to Play Store and download the app. I will give you the link in the description. So you go to Play Store, download the app, and after downloading the app, you sign up on their site. So you sign up on their site. When I will leave all the link in the description. So when you click on my referral link, you sign up in the description, you sign up, and after signing up, you download the app in Play Store. You download the app in Play Store. When you just type Pawns app in Play Store, you download the app, and they also have a link on their site that you can download the app. So when you are on their site, they have some links there. You can download the app from them. So when you click on download on the site, when you just go to the menu and click on download, so they have apps you can download from Google Play. So you can use the Pawns app on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and other devices. So I think Pawns app earns you money faster on Windows and Mac than your Android phone. I think so, because it's more faster, your earnings are more faster, and your your laptop uses much more data, at least 2x data than the phone. I just think so. So that's my personal experience, because the earnings is more move faster than when on the laptop. So you can download your app here, and after you download the app, you sign up. Let me show you my Pawns app now. This is my Pawns app. This is my Pawns app. So on my Pawns app, you can see this is just the app. After signing in, after logging in, you just see the share. Just click on share internet, and that's all. And you disable battery saving so that the app can use your data on background mode, so that you can earn more even when you are not using your phone. You just earn you money passively, and that's all. So what do you think? Just give it a try, because it's worth it, at least because you are not doing anything. Just put the app there and you earn some money. So another way, I don't have any subway because I've already answered all my subways. So you can invite friends to earn. You can get your subway depending on your country, because in this country that I'm here now, I live in Africa. So this country, I don't have subway like other people's. So those who live in UK, all those places, they can have more subways than I. So it's just the truth, because you know what I mean. It's just the truth, and they can even earn better. So when you invite a friend, you get $1, and your friend also gets $1, and you also get 10% of their commission. So here is my desktop Pawns app and how it looks like. So those of you who have been asking questions on how you can collect your or withdraw your money, once you reach the minimum payout threshold, that is $5, the request payout button will be unlocked, and that is how you get your earnings. So when we earn $5, I also said it before, they send us $3. I don't know why, but it's just a free money. Just what we don't do anything to earn, is just put the app online and leave it like that. So what again? That's all I have to show you. This is the difference. The desktop app will make your earnings faster, boost your earnings better than the mobile app. So if you want to boost your earnings with the Pawns app, I think with my own experience, I think first you have to consume a lot of data, as in you have to watch videos on YouTube, do a lot of stuff that will consume data, or you have to watch ads or interact with ads, visit websites that there are ads on it to get it. So that's all. Those are the two things to improve your Pawns app earnings. With that, if you have any question, you can comment below on what you think about this app. So for now, I say goodbye.